Lot number 1003A, 1997 Yamaha Wave Blaster 2760. Video date 6/26/2018. We're parting this machine out. Reason we're parting it out, it's got a hole in the front of the hull. We did drive it for a while, for a couple of years here at the store, but right now parts are getting harder to find, so we're just going to part it out. As you can see there, it's got a owie. It does start, it does run, it does drive around. If you want to buy parts off this machine, give Martos Motorsports a call at 218-844-4968. I'll start it up here. Again, this is a 1997 Yamaha Wave Blaster 2760. You can call Martos Motorsports for parts off this machine. It's a freshwater hull, Minnesota jet ski. 218-844-4968. Thank you.